Episode 6, Part 6, Indented Decorations. You'll notice that in my design, the wing is going to be extruded or intruded by 2 millimeters with a curve tool. So I'm going to draw a shape that looks a bit like a wing with the curve tool in order to indent it. It's a little bit of a trick to this, but we'll get straight into it by going into Onshape. So here I am in Onshape, and I'm going to right click and create or copy a workspace, and we're up to part 6 and click OK. Once part 6 opens, I can get straight into designing my indentation. So I'm going to draw a sketch on here, and I'm going to draw it in the wing. So I'm going to go to the right view and I'm going to zoom right up so I can just see the area that I'm drawing here. I'm going to use the spline tool, and I'm going to basically draw out a wing shape. It's like a shape of a 3. So I'm going to start here and I'll work my way around. Now it needs to be an enclosed shape, so I need to actually make it all the way around. Now when I want to point with the spline tool, I probably don't want to do this because it can cross over. So I'm going to press on the escape button, and for some strange reason it does that every time, and then I'm going to continue a new spline from that point. That way I get the nice sharp point here, and it's basically going to be like a number 3. And come back round and join on to that one and press escape. Once again it minimizes for some reason. So that's now a closed shape. I should now be able to rename this to indent decoration. And press tick, and I should now be able to go on here and click in there, type in remove, and put in 2 millimeters as a remove, and you can see there that it's done on that side. It's indented nicely, so it now looks like the duck's got a bit of a wing happening there. Obviously I'll spend a bit more time on that, but I'm just doing it for the demonstration of this video. Do not do it on the other side. Only do it on one side. Only do it on the side you can see from the front. Don't do it on the left side, because that's the side that's going to print, and that's going to be pretty difficult to actually print. So just on one side do we want our decorations. Once you're done, make sure you complete your process journal. I may have forgotten to tell you to do that at the end of the through hole decoration, so you might need to do it for 2, but that's what you need to do to keep that process journal done. There is an extra section for other non-specified decorations. You might choose to do other decorations that I haven't thought of. In this case, that's where I'd put your process journal about them. There's no video to help you with those other non-specified decorations, because that would make them specified if I make a video. So there you go. That's all you need to do in order to make your duck complete. The next video will look at how to convert it to an STL file for 3D printing.